Hi, I'm Kirti Chuk from Applied Forensic Science for Justice student group. Today I'm going to talk about on a topic called FBI. FBI stands for Federal Bureau of Investigation. Topics to be covered in this presentation are introduction of FBI, role of FBI, and function of FBI. So now we'll talk about what is FBI, how FBI is created, and you will also learn about the people behind the formation of FBI. So let's get started. In 1865, the group is formed by the Treasury Department called Secret Service. At that time, the job of the department was to investigate the crime like counterfeiting, fraud cases, but in 1870, a larger branch is created called DOJ, Department of Justice. But they had not their own investigator, they borrow agents from the Secret Service to do the investigation. But the thing is, Department of Justice could not be up like this. They need their own agents. By the end of 19th century or 20th century, the growth of United States was quite rapid. As growth rate increases, population increases. So obviously crime rate also increased in the US. So the two men, Bonaparte and Roosevelt, decided the agency had to be created to enforce federal law, but Bonaparte had no investigator to bring these investigation. But Bonaparte, when started this agency, still borrow guys from the Secret Service and hiring private detective. But hiring private detective is too expensive. And one big disadvantage that come in their way is the guy borrowed from the Secret Service doesn't report him with their finding but report their boss at the Secret Service. And on the top of that, in 1908, Secret Service agents cannot be used by any other federal investigator. Yeah, federal department. So at that time, he has nobody available to him. But he found a way and took a Secret Service agent that he had used regularly and hired them in his agency. He also hired 25 additional agents, and these 34 agents would be the first agent of our law enforcement agency investigating crime for the Department of Justice. And this agency came into force in 26 July 1908. One interesting fact come the way that when this started, it wasn't called FBI. Even they didn't have a name until 1909, when the new Attorney General George Wickham called it Bureau of Investigation. Now a question arises: what did agents of Bureau of Investigation did? Mostly they did white collar and civil right cases, including antitrust, banking of fraud, land fraud, and forced labor. In addition to these cases, the BOI, Bureau of Investigation, take point on certain larger cases like in 1910 with the Mann Act, which helps to stop human trafficking and prostitution. In 1950, bureau growth was just excellent, and the agency, which started with 34 agents, now have 300 plus agents, and its nest become wider and wider. In 1970, when America entered World War I, the BI was given more responsibilities for finding people deserving for army. They also had to protect the country from the acts of terrorism. In 1970, a young man, John Hoover, served as a personal assistant of Attorney General. In 1935, Hoover gave the BI, Bureau of Investigation, a brand new name. The Bureau of Investigation will then known as Federal Bureau of Investigation. Now, why the FBI was created? The FBI started from a force of special agents by Attorney General Bonaparte and President Roosevelt. The Justice Department needed an organized force of investigators to gather evidence. So that is why FBI was created. Now, what are the duties of investigator? Investigation of many forms of criminal activities such as bribery, cybercrime, drug trafficking, kidnapping, white collar crimes, national security threats. So, what are the requirements for the FBI investigator? First, must be a US citizen or citizen of Northern Mariana Island. Second, must be at least 23 years of age and not older than 37 upon their appointment. Third, must possess a 4-year degree from a college or university accredited by one of the regional or national institutional association recognized by the United States Secretary of Education. Fourth, must have at least 3 years of professional work experience. Fifth, must possess a valid driving license. Sixth, be completely available anywhere in FBI jurisdiction. If one meets the requirement, then one must first qualify in one of the first special agent entry programs like accounting, computer science, language, law, diversified. Now, what about the training session? So, in training session, they must spend 20 weeks at the FBI Academy and be trained on academics, case exercise, firearm, self-defense, operational skills, physical training, and leadership. Now we will talk about the salary of the FBI agent. Salary ranges from $55,689 for new agent, $61,800 for agent with 2 to 4 years of experience, $80,000 to $120,000 for agents with 10 to 19 years of experience. Special agent and 20 plus year of experience agents get 100,000 to $145,000. So what are the benefit of this job? First, health benefits such as fee for service plan as well as HMO plans. Second, an agent can retire at age 50 with 20 years of service. Third, the FBI strives to provide flexible work-life programs for agents. Fourth, fulfills a fundamental need to serve people. Fifth, excitement and variation in activities. Sixth, receive a specified amount of extra pay for the large amount of overtime he is expected to work. So, what are the role of FBI? Operation of the FBI includes counterterrorism, counterintelligence, investigation of over 200 categories of federal crimes. So, coming up with the last slide, FBI functions. So, the functions of FBI are: first, conduct professional investigation and authorize intelligence collection to identify and counter the threats possessed by domestic and international terrorists and their supporters within the United States, and to pursue extraterritorial investigation to bring out the perpetrator of terrorist act to justice. In further of this function, FBI design, develops and implement counterterrorism initiatives which enhance the FBI's ability to minimize the terrorist threat. Second, coordinate the effort of US government agencies and departments in protecting the nation's critical infrastructure by identifying and investigating criminal and terrorist groups through physical and cyber attacks. Third, establish and implement quality outreach programs that will ensure FBI and community partnership and sharing. Fourth, develop new approaches, techniques, system, equipment, and devices to improve and strengthen law enforcement and assist in conducting state, local, and international law enforcement training programs. Fifth, effectively and appropriately communicate and disclose information of the FBI mission, accomplishments, operations, the media, and the public. So, this is it, guys. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much.